The power of nature is seen everywhere. With new bead technology, enjoy the moment right now. Easy to carry with. Natural plants essential oil makes you a delicate protection. Fashion and aesthetics. Free your life at every moment. A 8-hour protection is ensured. Always guard you with sweet dreams. First choice of the elite in outdoor activities. Focused and undistracted. Every exquisite sticker comes from the ultimate technology. And it also makes the automatic machine for bead mosquito repellent sticker in high reliability. Subvert the production mode, the traditional mosquito repellent patch. Hengyao innovates the industry standard with automatic intelligent manufacturing. Update the 6-person assembly line to 24 hours and intelligent manufacturing. A 40% reduction in manufacturing area. With PLC Touch interactive system, parameter setting and production monitoring are easy to operate. With ultrasonic welding cutting technology high-precision positioning system, the yield exceeds 99.7%. Modular architecture supports function expansion and adapts to diversified product manufacturing. A number of patented technologies built the foundation, serving the world's 30 industry-leading customers who operate with us, not only choosing the automatic equipment, but also the reliable partner with best service. We provide raw material supply chain, technical interchange, on-site training and after-minus sales maintenance to ensure the quality. We have one-to-one complete sales system to provide the customer with a whole set of intelligent production solutions. Nature Guard Life. Science and technology empower the future.